Hello and welcome every single one of you absolutely beautiful people. Welcome to this New York Open short, but I guess it will be not extensive, but it will be short, fast, specific. I have like 30 minutes to do this today. Yeah, there will be no today. It just be go, 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 go. So if you're here to learn something new, there is really the time to really be, on today. So I'll be live because I am having someone coming over. We're gonna go through trading. So yeah, fantastic. Other than that, have a great day. I have to give some updates about my trades. I would say firstly, I've not been live. I've been taking some profits today. So yeah, I would go through that and the reasons, I guess, and then see what we can do with that. If it's a good decision or bad decision, we will not know until tomorrow. So that's all. Chief. Alacarte, what's the difference between ADP non-farm payroll and ADP non-farm and non-farm payroll non-news? How will it impact dollar? Very good question there, Mr. Alacarte. First of all, ADP is not that important because I think there's average daily pay-ish. And then, so it's not really, it doesn't really alone describe the unemployment, situation. Yes, automatic data processing. So it's kind of, yeah, it is there, but NFP is a better tool. And also, if you have like, even though you have ADP at some point, NFP doesn't necessarily, or ADP doesn't forecast NFP. So it's like in my research, there are both economic indicators, but they're not kind of the same, and so a rise in this indicator, in my view, will maybe create dollar bullishness more than anything else. So yeah, there we go. Other than that, I hope you're having a fantastic day. A lot of profits. I know some people lost money because they've told me. If you have, please tell me so we can help you out. The other situation that I want to go through is my account. So I'm just going to pull up some trades, I guess. Let's see if we can get some nice trades up, and then we can see if I did well or did bad or anything else. Because people have been saying, hey, Vin, do you actually trade? Yeah, I actually do trade. So let's see if we can find the best trade I've had to this week, I guess, was this pound dollar trade, and then we can move that over to the chart. Bada ba, bada boom, bada beam, bada boom. This is in the accountability trade, the accountability move. That is pound dollar. I took it from there, and then took profit this morning because it made a lower low. Right now, I'm like, I don't want to trade it anymore because it's falling together with dollar pairs. So I'm like, I'm getting out of there. Other than that, yeah. Cool, I guess. So the situation there, that is that one. And then you have some other trading guru things that was also maybe, which one is that one? That's that one. And then you have pound yen as well. Let's see if I can do that without showing everything that I don't want you to see. But there you are. There you are. Bottom Friday came back up, middle or low. I'm like, no thank you. Bye bye sir. So that's how things goes at the moment. All right, cool. So let's go through some dollar pairs, I guess. Dollar first, reaching higher highs. Is that expected? I'd wanted to short it, but here we are. We fell, and then we are back up at the same price, I guess. So we did short it, gained some pips out of that situation. Now I have not caught that one, but because I'm not a bull on dollar. But there you are. Coming into Aussie dollar, that is a low that I would call bearish. That is a break of bullish trend. And wherever you find the wherever you find a resistance for tomorrow is kind of where you can sell it off. Right now we have some pretty strong falls. I had some fun with Abbas earlier that I added a sell order here. It was just an order and it was just for fun, but I should probably have actually sold it because that would have made me money. But there you are. I said yesterday to my mentorship students, yes, I'm a mentor, and yes, you can go to MLFX if you want to do that. That's the only sale piece for today. I said, don't buy here. Wait, put your stop loss to break evens, and see what happens for tomorrow. And that happens for tomorrow, then that's it. Then there's nothing else to do here. What caused the fall today? I think it's just market participants having fun and executing their trade plans more than anything else. I think that's the reason. I think that's the only reason I can find right now. So yeah, I think that's great. Hello. How about still long? I have exited my, as I've just shown you probably a couple of milliseconds ago. I exited my pound dollar moves and my pound dollar trades, mostly because I would see it as a lower low on the 1 hour time frame at least. And if I am going to be buyer of pound dollar again, I need to be higher low situation. So I need confirmation that we're going to still be bullish. We're still going to be going higher high. And until then, I will exit my positions. I will see how things goes, because I know very, very, very well that dollar bullishness is a thing at the moment, and I probably should have done better at selling pound dollar. But here we are. So tomorrow. Not sponsored by Fanta, but that would be nice too. Okay, so is that a good one, Michael? How about long tail? No, I wouldn't. So how I would trade this right now, and I would love to have bought it if I could have at this live, but this is a pause signal. Because this can go down there and you're buying that you're adding losses to your trading account. This is also a pause because we broke that low and we are challenging this low. That means for tomorrow or today we have a high probability to go down to this level. Now that level is a different case at 135, 134, 80. That's when we can look to buy again, but I won't look to buy there. But that's kind of the technical area you can look to buy again. Investor, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening. I was on Zoom meeting this morning, and my voice was very dark and very grumpy, I guess. So hope this is better, because he said my voice was robotic. I hope not my voice is robotic today. So that's great too. Beastgary, hello, Evan. Alcart, thanks, boss. So very much welcome. So if I was to do anything right now, that would be to sell some of these pairs. Unfortunately for euro dollar, we have a lower low. That is not a sell, so you need to wait for some kind of pullbacks today or tonight or whatever. I am a bit disappointed in the market because I wanted to see these on Friday. So we are 2 days early, and for all the reasons in the world, surely, okay, we're going down. But I would probably have been better off if we could have sold it on Friday. So, yeah, 1 day. So for Abbas, he lost his entry on pound dollar by 1 pip. That means that you need to revise your trading strategy and see if is it really good? Is it really good? And should you just have sold it anyways? And I probably should have done. Michael, hello. Michael, sorry. I call him Michael. Michael. So euro dollar has gone. I have been hitting. Well, we made some profit here yesterday. On the live session on London Open yesterday. That was about. No, it was not here. It was I bought it like here somewhere. Yeah. So that was a 4 pip, whatever, maximally something yesterday. Did I buy that 50.98? So there's a 10 pip, 14 pip. There's nothing to be hooray about, but at least we didn't lose money there. But I lost money on that buy. No, that was break even, sorry. And I lost money on that buy. Also, you live until you die. That's what you do. So now you're waiting for Euro. Aussie, I would say, is probably a better candidate to sell. But also, who was it? Was it Citibank or something that said that maybe this is the end for the fall on Aussie? That RBA is saying, hey, this might be the bottom. We shall see. But right now, dollar is strong, so you will find to see weak dollar, weak currencies to sell it against. That would be Euro. New Zealand, another one that probably made everything fall, and I can go through what I said yesterday. I said yesterday that we should be... Oops, I was wrong. Can we just group them together next time, maybe? Probably life much easier. So I said yesterday that this price here, this level here, is resistance. Don't do anything about it here. Don't buy. Put your break-evens. Don't lose money here. And then now it fell. Okay. I also said if it rose, then I continue buying. But since it didn't, we should be out at break even, and there's different results from different people. Somebody didn't, somebody did, somebody. I don't know what people did and didn't do, but that's kind of what I would say. This is resistance. This is dangerous for buys. If we break through, that would be great. But other than that, I know people who sold this one. I know of people who sold pound dollar up at these levels. Okay, that is okay. But oops, that was New Zealand. Other than that, pull back tomorrow and then see if we can catch it on. That's great. If you have any pairs you want me to cover today, that would be great. Pound dollar has been asked for. I've covered that in great detail. Pound dollar is probably a good one to short for tomorrow morning or this evening, depending on when we get some good price action here. Let me show you right now. That is the price right now. This is the two prices right now that you were looking to sell. But I'm not going to do it, but there you can. 36, 135.80, give or take. You choose yourself which one you're going to take. I saw that Nasdaq was down today. Okay, we was still bearish yesterday, so that was. I thought maybe if we can get a higher low, we can buy it. But sure, it fell again. S&P 500 is not open yet. Pound yen. So I bought the living life out of this one here. Oops, that was wrong. I bought the living life out of this one here. Here. And yeah. Okay. Well, I took profit today on those 4 orders. And yeah, I guess it is what it is. I haven't really. There is no buy opportunity. Well, of course, I just look at it as bearish right now because it's such a strong move. It's pound yen. It can move anywhere and everywhere at all given times. But that would be a great buy opportunity if we, first of all, did not fall on all the yen pairs and dollar pairs. Second of all, respected this support at 151.40. So, and we're still holding 150.80, but that's kind of a second lower low, so that's not so nice to look out for. Mikael says, is the news in 20 minutes important? Nah, I'm not worried about that. That could potentially create more dollar bullishness, sending it in more direction it's already been today. But you should be maybe either closing off the news channel, or you should have a very pragmatic relationship to news, as in it is important to watch it, to look at it, but it shouldn't, one, move you, two, you shouldn't decide on your trading decision because of a news event, and three, it is your best friend. So until you learn how news is in your favor, not against you, you should only be looking at news as a longer term trend. What is the last 6 events of this news, what is the trend? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it neutral? Right now on NFP, for example, we have a very bullish trend on NFP. Generally speaking, we have increasing. We have had 1 million. We have had 200,000, 250,000, 260,000 other jobs. What is it going to be this time? Maybe 500,000. We see that every day. We say that every time, and then it will miss terribly. There's a lot of volatility in NFP right now, so it can go anyways, and either way, up and down. The thing is, you shouldn't sell dollar or buy dollar based upon a news event like NFP, because frankly speaking, lately it hasn't really been moving that much anymore. Okay, so for you as a trader, you are like, well, pound, well, we're gonna trade NFP. I'm sorry to say that, but stereotypically that is only for South African boys in the 20s having fun with their friends, kind of a thing. I wouldn't go as far as to call it childish or immature, but I would go as far as saying you're trading the wrong thing. Can you add positions during NFP? Yes. If that is your longer term trade, if NFP gives you great entries at resistance in a trend that you have already identified as your trade, as your trend, as your overall trade setup, then you can. But just because of NFP, if NFP itself, because that's fun to do, no thank you. I will pass. Alright? Shall pass. Why shall we pass? Because we lost too much money in the past. There is no guarantee, and the most important thing is really to be able to pinpoint where is it going to go for the next 200 to 300 pips. That's way more important than to analyze NFP. Secret box as for gold. I have had a bearish bias on gold lately. I have hoped for it to fall. We have turned into some kind of range lately. I know of people who have added sells. I know people who have added buys. I don't know how that goes for them. But what I do know is whatever I'm saying here is only for educational purposes, not financial advice. Whatever I'm saying is only my personal opinion. I still believe gold is still going to fall. I just don't know if it's going to be today, tomorrow, or into the future. If you were a hard buyer on gold, you don't want to see 3-4 touches of the same level of 1750. If this is going to be a strong bullish trend, you would see that we should be up here by now. So right now on gold, it doesn't really move. That is also on the same level as resistance, support, maybe support, at least one small support there. So right now it's very range bound. Is that a market you should be in? Probably not. Is it gonna fall? Yes. What do you do if it falls? Then you can sell at resistance. Where's resistance? Well, so far we have used 1770 as resistance, and we have 1780 as resistance, and that is kind of your suggestions to the lower side. And I don't know where we're gonna go when, but that's at least my general theory. How right have I been? I have been 100% right, at least until today, about what I've said on Sundays. I'm really happy about this week and how market has performed. But other than that, of gold, it has not performed at all. So that's my 99% clarity there. So yeah, good, I think. So where is it gonna go? I would like it to fall. I hope it will fall. So if gold can really just get in there and be happy about that, that would be fantastic. Silver, maybe some shorts opportunities here, but not really that much. Oil has hit 79.50, almost 80, which was my target, I think it was. So, okay, what do we do now? I think maybe this is an overstretch. Maybe it can fall, but don't make trade plans upon it just because it falls now. We didn't reach the buy setup this week, so we're really just waiting for that one to happen. So we can maybe come down to 73. Maybe that's a good short opportunity for you. I don't know what your trading strategy is, but I have a very strong opinion about not selling gold because generally speaking we are going to go higher. I don't know if it's going to be today or tomorrow or next week, but right now we are in a very strong bullish trend on oil. We have hit the target for the week. All good and green. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Green week on oil. That is what we like. You guys are silent. You're 20, 24, 22 people. Like, you should be like hammering that comment section today, people. Wow. USWC was difficult to trade. I said buy there, sell there. I guess buyers won, seller lost. Okay, that is what it is, I guess. Pound Swiss, it was somebody to wanted to, and then I just have the message to that person. Don't touch it. I wouldn't touch it. That's my personal opinion. Don't touch it. Yo, you want to talk? I'm talking all the time, bro. You know? And I had an absolutely hilarious talk with Abbas in the Telegram group that I have tried to revive it lately. I had absolutely hilarious times. It was so fun. And I pushed him to sell pound dollar, which we should have, by the way. It fell. We should have made money there. But I made him, I pushed him into a quarter. But yeah. So maybe that's something for tomorrow, but we shall see. The other thing is we have New York Open coming up now. What are we expecting for New York Open? I actually think that we might see some dollar bullishness. I think that is my main theory. The other thing is, just looking for the calendar right now. The other theory that I have right now, the only one is ADP, by the way. The theory that I have is I am right now out of the market. How can you join this Telegram group and be entertained with a lot of absolutely hilarious things? Okay. I also have a Discord group that is way more important though, but okay, cool. We can do that. Invite via link, copy link. If you go to my weekly forecast, that there is one link in the description there. But anyways, I gave it to you there. So basically that's just for in 12 minutes where we're expecting that one to come out. But other than that, I generally think that the market sentiment is dollar bullish today. The other question is, somebody asked me something. Somebody asked what I did to someone's US NOK. A NOK is Norwegian krone. I'm Norwegian, so that's always fun too. I don't know what I did. Probably ask for charts. Yeah, that's funny. I love that. Can can dollar come back for a pullback here before rising tomorrow? Absolutely. So can it break out of here? Absolutely. Where's the target for this week on Mr. Dixie? Target is 194.93. Okay, so still higher. Still, we have broken at 93. So to me, it's like whatever. It is what it is. So right now, just expecting dollar bullishness. That's all. And what was that my plan by the beginning of the week? Absolutely not. So yeah, that is what it is, I guess. So investor is just talking, is just listening in. We only had pound dollar, we only have gold, and then we could go through some yen pairs. I had a buy opportunity this morning at 1891. I exited that one with, how did that go? Rarely. Did it go out of profit or did it go out of loss? Symbols, Aussie yen. I got in at 88.60 and I got out at 89. Oh yeah, I guess I got a pep. I got a pep there. Can this one rise from now? if you're looking into general how trends supposed to be moving, right? How trends supposed to be moving. This is a very weak trend, by the way. How trends was supposed to be moving. This is kind of what I like look into when I look for a trend, okay? There is lows, but no lower lows on the 1 hour. There is support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. This is kind of what I look for every day. If you look to today on OCT for that matter, I can't see the same market condition at the moment. So I would gladly be staying on the sideline. I would be gladly coming up and say, hey, let's buy it at a different time and a different price. Peter Thorpe says, hey again, you're New Zealand only if possible. Yeah, we shall do that very fast, very quickly, since Peter is such an amazing person. And yeah, the entry for Euro New Zealand came. And it went. Probably in this market condition right now, today we wouldn't trade it. But there we are. I'm doing some charts, maybe you can catch them. Yeah, you can just send me those. So I have expected New Zealand bullishness, so I hope they would fall, but I guess. And if you want to see when I did this analysis, that is on the live session on Sunday or Monday morning. I'm not sure which one it was, but some of them. One of those two. Peter Thorpe says, thank you. I shall say you're welcome. Okay, let's continue. Let's see if... okay, it's not arrived yet. That's great. Do you want to buy a New Zealand dollar? Is this a good buy? Probably. Why are you angry now, Abbas? Investor. So you want to sell 136.50, which is basically that price there. There you want to sell it. All right. Didn't get it. I would say you got it, but you were too strict on your entry price. And then stop loss at 139 or what? Or 138. I can show it to everyone, I guess. Does that work? Didn't work, did it? Copy link ish. Anyone? Okay. Then we can just put it over there, I guess. There we go. So this is what he's thinking about 136.50. So I'm calling out Abbas as the dollar bull expert in the group right now, taking profit at 132 area. So yeah, he also said he wants a new spike higher, but yeah, I guess that goes. Yeah, sure. I don't have any no Aussie accent today, Peter. I have not prepared myself. I have not gone and who is like the most Aussie person that I know? There's a guy called FX Evolution here on YouTube. He's probably live soon. He's from Australia. And then you have like, you know, Crocodile Donald Day. The Crocodile Man. What do you guys? And now it's his son taking over. I can't even remember him even. That's like one guy, and then you have some property house TV shows ish, like buy and sell Australia or something. Australia. Yeah, ish. I'm not gonna go there. That's swaying a lot, and now I sent it another chart 1 hour ago. Okay. Hello, James. James, I have one message to you. Do not even think about touching punch racing. That's what I want to say to you. All right. Okay. Pound. If pound dollar makes a higher high, I will laugh my cheeks off. By the way. Going through some indices. That's New Zealand. That's Canadian. That's Japanese. And that's probably the reason why we are seeing the fall in Japanese currency pairs today. We have an extremely strong reaction to this level here. And sure, we have been falling a lot though. We have been falling a lot, so I guess that was a target. And then you're like, boom, get out. One message for you, James. Do not touch pound Swissy. It is currently neutral, and nothing is happening there. You can take it. You can take it if you want to. Just a short summary right now, I guess. And I can't even spell away. That is so interesting of me to not be able to do that. Anyways, I left it, made some money on gold sell last night. I woke up in profit and sold it. Okay. Yeah, please don't do gold though, bro. Please don't gold. Please don't do gold. I have enough stress in my life. I have enough people to fight to not. That gives me headache about shorting and buying gold all the time. And it's not one person, it's many people. So I'm just trying to have one less person to be worried about losing money on gold. That's all. That's a strong pullback, mate. That would actually enter me into my trade that I showed you, Abbas. Anyways. What is going on? Well, is this bullish? Let's just check. Is this bullish? No, it's not even bullish. Nah, it's not bullish. Then we have to go over here. So right now, I would just call it a range until whatever happens, I guess, on Aussie dollar. Yeah, I know. I'm praying for it to hit. Okay. Yeah, I took it off, by the way. It was just to show you for fun. USD CAD. Okay. Probably a good buy entry somewhere in here if you want to take it. I'm not going to take it. But, yeah, great. Euro yen, didn't catch it. I bought here-ish. Stop loss at break even. Everything great, nothing too bad. Very strong trend down today. I guess we can short it tomorrow if you want to. New Zealand yen broke through everything that is called any kind of support. Wherever it comes tomorrow, you can probably have permission to sell it down tomorrow. Pound yen, probably another one that you can sell tomorrow. I don't know where it's going to come back to though. That's a different question. And if it still rises by the next 4 hours, I think it's going to top into 4 hours. That's my. But yeah, ADP in 2 minutes, 1 minute. Let's see how it goes. Oh, look at that. That was very much higher than expected. How's that going to do on dollar move? Is anything? That is initially dollar bullishness. Okay. So 565,000. What change in employed people in America? Generally speaking, a rise in indicators, spending. private payrolls. Okay, cool. But yeah, so there you go. That's fantastic, eh, Nate? Okay. Can you guys give me one of those crosses that you guys want me to do sometimes? Some funny crosses. So if we were to do one trade right now, which one should it be? Should it be euro? No, it should be pound, Aussie, pound yen. Which one should be short? And I know somebody's gonna take that seriously wrong though, but that's always fun. I know Trader Nick sold 136, so that's pretty good. I don't know if he hit his stop loss, though. I can check though. That's always fun. I'm not gonna tell if he did or not. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but okay, I don't think he did actually. That's always fun. So what is really going on here right now, people, is that we are seeing dollar or pound dollar trying to catch some more sellers, and then that's always fun. So where's my entry? I don't have an entry, I guess, but yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm short. I guess it's always fun to have fun. Let's see, what's the loss? Oh, okay. 60 pips to the high, if it goes wrong. Okay, I guess that's what it is, I guess. So, yeah, okay, so going back to the charts. So, what we really can expect for tomorrow is for price to come back into these levels here for pound. So I can call out some names, I guess. Some names, some prices. 72.50, 72.70. 15.50, 15.70. 1580 and 136. 151, 50, 45, 151, 68, give or take. So it seems like it's something and a half and something and a 60, something and 70. Sorry. But yeah, shorts. Use the cat, maybe something like that. Maybe, who knows? Did I sell pound dollar? Tja, I think I did. Yeah. For fun of it. It's not a lot, it's just a small lot, so if I lose, I don't lose much, so it's just to show you. And then I'll probably sell another time again tonight. I'm trying to see who's gonna win, me or Abbas. Abbas tells me not to sell now, and he says go back tomorrow. No, come back at 1:37 something. And I am like, I can take it now. But it's only 30% of what I normally do, of my normal account, normal order size. It's 30% off normal order size, so if it goes bad, it goes bad. Yeah, I know. And then target is 130, was it 132 or something? If we get it right. 132 is the target, if we get it right. So we can set price at 132. It wasn't instant profits though, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, I know. But it's always fun to try and see how it goes. I wanna win over you, so I'm pretty confident at the moment. But yeah, so that was the live trading in on this show, I guess, because it is a live event. We're having fun live. I can't really sell Aussie. Euro is way too low. Someone's calling me. That's always fun. Okay, let's take the phone call and see how it goes. That was actually food delivery. I forgot I had food delivery. So I guess that wraps up the whole stream. I need to get some food. That's always nice. I forgot about that. So have a great day, people. I will do Bitcoin another day. I wanted to go higher, up to 155,000 or 55,000. That's kind of where the thing is gonna go. Alright, have a great day. See you soon, people. I would love to be here longer. But there you go. Have a good day.